Hello. All right, so welcome back to our channel. So today we are doing a little bit of a different unboxing. It's actually pretty similar to the one that I semi-did with the ring light a couple of videos ago. And I do have my little guy here who's going to be helping me, Ruben. He's going to be helping me kind of unbox everything today. All right, so first off, shout out to GTA Photo Studios for all this. They are fantastic. They are the place that I did get we did get our ring light. And what we got today. Today, what we did get is the 1700 watt Softbox kit, lighting kit, sorry. And we got it for $100. So it's one pair, so two pieces for $100, which is fantastic when it comes to pricing. So shout out to them. They're great. We have the link down below. Go ahead and check it out and give them some love. So, all right. So as I said, we're doing the 1700 watt softbox lighting kit. So what it will do is it'll help enhance what we already have when it comes to recording videos. Like Ruben here, he does do a couple of unboxing videos. And I've tried a couple makeup videos as well. Hopefully we'll start getting better with that, and then we'll start making more reviews and all that stuff. But it's just getting the right equipment. Okay, so for what we're going to do is I will kind of go through like everything that we do have on the table for you today. Okay, so first we're going to start off with the light bulbs. It comes with 4 of them. Okay, so it's supposed to be 2 for each umbrella and each stand. So what we're going to do is we'll kind of open one box and show you how it looks. So with the bulbs that it does come with, it is 85 watts a bulb, and it's about 5500 Ks or 55 kelvins when it comes to the temperature. So the fantastic thing about these bulbs is that within 2 hours of using the lighting, it doesn't overheat. So if you actually touch it after 2 hours, it's still perfectly fine. Okay, so as our little guy kind of holding it up there, so these are how they look, and there's about 4 of them. Now, as he's kind of putting that aside, there is an adapter that comes with it. So the great thing about these adapters, you can add another extra 2 bulbs to it. So as I said earlier, the umbrella does come with 2 switches where you can screw in 2 bulbs. When you add in the adapter can make it to 4 bulbs. So it makes it even brighter, which is fantastic. Especially if you are covering a wider range of space, it's nicer to have something like that. All right, so when the lighting portion that's done, now we're going to move on to the actual like big part of stuff. Okay, so we talked about the bulbs, so like the bulbs that we did show. Now we're gonna show you the big stuff. So as I said, it does come with 2 umbrellas. So with the 2 umbrellas, they are an octagonal shape, so which is fantastic because it is pretty deep as well. It'll be able to disperse the light properly and disperse it a whole lot more. So it is a 30-inch right around. So what we'll do is we'll kind of open it up. So we'll kind of just show you one of them because the lack of space will not help. Okay. So, after a few technical difficulties, all you gotta do is push it in, and then it'll be stable. So as you can see, you can attach the bulbs right in there, and then you get your adapters, and then you're gonna be able to continuously add more bulbs. I think it goes up to at least 4 of them. So as I said, octagonal shape, it's very deep, so it can disperse the light out a whole lot more. Now each of the umbrellas, thank you Ruben for the help, does come with a diffuser. So Ruben, if you can just grab the other end for me on this one. Okay. So it just goes right around here. So depending on what you're doing, what the diffuser does, it helps softens the light rather than making it too harsh when you're recording. Behind the actual umbrella, you're going to see that there is attachments just right here to attach the stand to it. There's an on and off switch, and there is also the plug that you plug it in. All right, so next up, what we do have is, of course, something that it's going to stand on. So the two stands that it does come with, just right here. Thank you very much. So right around here, it is a tripod-like, and it is adjustable, so you can adjust it to different heights. All right, so before we end off this video, I want you all to keep in mind that this is just an unboxing at this point. We will be using the lighting and everything for our next couple of videos for Ruben's unboxing and some of my makeup stuff, just to see and compare how it is with that, with the different types of lighting, which is great. We will be releasing a video later on reviewing both the ring lights and also the softbox lighting kit. So watch out for that. And just another quick shout out for GTA Photo Studios. I mean, we want to tell them that we appreciate the love and the support that they are giving to us. Our video is up in their store right now, so it's fantastic how Toronto people are kind of coming all together to show some love for everybody. So because of that, we did get a gift from them when we picked all this up. So we did get a monopod from them to use on our next videos. So super excited on how it is. Anyway, we look forward to seeing you guys in our next videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.